One chilly but calm day in October, Hans, Martin and I decided to meet up at the RC tank course outside Gothenburg and have a go with our models. There is something very satisfying driving scale models when the weather isn't perfect. Everything seems more realistic when the sun isn't shining and the rain is in the air. Martin brought his 1:6 scale Cromwell, his first homemade tank, powered by 2 electric drills with a high and a low gear. The hull is made from plywood and the tracks and sprockets are 3D printed in ABS. Hans brought his Bandvagn 206, a very interesting vehicle powered by 4 electric drills, 2 in each module. On the original 206, the tracks are made of rubber, but on Hans' model they are separate 3D printed links held together with piano wire, but it still looks the part. I brought my Stridsvagn 105 or Centurion. I have noticed that it's actually more fun to drive a model the larger it is. The 105 isn't really done yet. Markings, numbers and some details are still left, and of course sound and other effects. But mechanically it's working well. The track is very fun and partly very technical, perfect for a couple of hours of fun driving. It's divided in 2 parts by a small river, and several bridges allows you to cross. It has 1 open part and 1 more narrow technical forest part.
Ja.
We decided to do a couple of full throttle laps, and just as in real life, the Cromwell is fast and agile, and I had no chance keeping up with my 105, even at high gear.